YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to talk about three things. Number one, we're going to talk about the new UltraBOOST, which is in collaboration with Ren ZHE. And then we're going to check out the new end-of-season sale happening over at Commonwealth, where there are a bunch of fantastic deals, guys. So many hot deals going on right now for fantastic sneakers. And number three, we're going to live up to the tech and unbox something techy. Let's go. Kick things off with the new UltraBOOST. The new UltraBOOST 4.0 in collaboration with Chinese artist and sculptor Ren ZHE dropped a few days ago. This is the pair that's now sitting right now over at Capital, at Seoul Academy, at Commonwealth, and a bunch of other stores. Now, there's not a lot of hype around this sneaker, and that's understandable because not a lot of Filipinos, or I think not a lot of people, know who Ren ZHE is. He is a multi-awarded, super famous artist and sculptor. He's done solo shows in New York, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and the guy is just an amazing, amazing artist. Heck, you don't even have to go far to find a piece of his work. Here in the Philippines, we have one in Makati. It's called Warriors Warring Above the Clouds or something. It's two giant martial artists fighting one another. You can find it near Greenbelt and PLDT just along Makati Avenue. Moving to the actual UltraBOOST itself, I was able to spend some time with it. It has a black and gray PrimeKnit 4.0 upper. You do have black and pink laces, which gives it a nice amount of pop for the laces contrasted with the black. However, the boldest thing about it is definitely the three rubberized stripes along the medial and the lateral side of the sneaker. It has a Ren ZHE stamp at the tongue tab, which completes the overall look and branding of the shoe. Retails for 8,900 pesos, and again guys, it's now available over at Seoul Academy, Capital, Commonwealth, and a bunch of other sneaker stores. If you haven't bought an UltraBOOST yet and you've been waiting for the perfect time to do so, and you know this particular design and the artist talks to you, then why not cop a pair? It's a perfectly good pair, nicely priced at 8,900. You can get so much out of it, from athleisure wear to performance wear to running. It's an all-around versatile sneaker. That's also a collab that's priced like a general release shoe. Apart from the Ren ZHE UltraBOOST, a bunch of other colorways also dropped. There were two colorways of the multicolor that also hit shelves. One was dominantly white, while the other one was dominantly black. So you have two options apart from the Ren ZHE collab. There's also a new uncaged model that you can also check out. I've never been a fan of the uncaged UltraBOOST, so I wouldn't recommend it. But hey, if it's something that floats your boat, you might want to check it out. It's a blue multicolor type of color blocking for the sneaker. There's also a new Nike Air Max 270 with a rainbow-like heel, gradient colored heel. Definitely a great looker, guys. If you're a huge fan of the 270, you might want to check it out. But again, the 720 is just around the corner. It should be dropping in a few months' time. So I'm not too sold on the idea of buying the 270 this late into the game. Unless, of course, you really love the color, then you probably might as well go for it. So those are the new drops. Now let's get to the sale. Commonwealth is having their end of season sale, and just what I keep saying to you guys, patience is key, and this is proof of that. Commonwealth is doing a massive 20 to 30% sale on a bunch of apparel and a lot of sneakers across all of their branches, happening at Greenbelt, Rockwell, and SM Aura. I was only able to check the sneakers on sale at Greenbelt, but I did hear that there's a bigger selection happening right now, or a bigger selection available rather, over at Rockwell. So you guys might want to check out that store in case I'm not able to cover it anymore. But here's what I found. First up, we have the Air Force One in canvas. I have this one in black and in gray, the baby blue UNC. I haven't bought yet, but I probably might get it, mainly because I can now get it for sale. This one is at 20% off, selling for just 5,400 pesos, or a little over $100 here in the Philippines. Not a bad deal. It's a super comfortable sneaker. It's a nice looking classic and timeless sneaker. You might want to check it out, the Air Force One Low in canvas. If you are looking for a running sneaker and you are a fast type of runner, you lean kind of forward, you might want to check out the Nike Zoomfly SP. This one is also on sale at 30% off, going down to 5,980 pesos, roughly $110. Definitely not a bad deal if you guys are running for a fast running shoe. There are also 2 to 3 colorways of it, so check it out if you guys are looking for a new running sneaker. Speaking of running shoes, moving over to the Three Stripes brand, we do have the new, well, that's not new, but we do have the Pure Boost Go, which just released a few months ago in the core black colorway. Now, this one originally sold for 6,000 pesos in the Philippines, $120. Now they're selling it for 4,200 pesos, around $80. 30% off, guys, the black colorway of the Pure Boost Go. It's an amazing sneaker, especially if you're into running, but mostly in the city, and you do like sharp turns and stuff like that. It is built for that type of running, and you can get it now at a fantastic price, at a fantastic deal at 4,200. That is amazing value for money, guys. If you don't own like a Boost sneaker yet, this is your chance to cop one at an amazing price, okay? If you want something a little more lifestyle, there are a bunch of NMDs still on sale. The one that I saw looked some sort of like a city sock construction in green with a leather brown accent along the medial side and the heel. This one sold for 6,200 pesos, usually sells for 9,000, so it is down 30%. So if you are looking for running, if you're looking for lifestyle, Commonwealth has a bunch of sneakers that you guys might want to check out. We also have the Alpha Bounce color. This one's a bit dated. I think this is more than a year old. I'm not too sure, but it feels kind of old. I remember reviewing it a long time ago. But anyway, the Alpha Bounce color, the one in black and red, and there's also the one in white and gray. This one is selling for, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 30% off, a little less than 44,000 pesos as well. We also have the New Balance X90 in 2 colorways over at Greenbelt 5. We have one in gray and we have one in green. The gray one and the green one, the gray and the green one both are at 20% off, and they are selling for just 5,000 pesos. Both sneakers, guys, are fantastic pairs. I did a review of the X90. It's one of my favorite silhouettes of New Balance. If you are a New Balance fan and you haven't copped an X90 yet, now is the best time to do so. The price is just down to 5,000 pesos. Amazing deal, guys. Amazing deal. Apart from those sneakers, you also have a bunch of general release ones that they are selling. You have the Propheres in different colors, especially for women. You have a bunch more of NMDs, and you have a wide range of Deerupt runners that you can pick from. There were also a bunch of Vapor Maxes, but nothing really that stood out that grabbed my attention. And I think there was like 1 or 2 Air Max Deluxes as well. So those are the sneakers that I saw over at Greenbelt 5 for sale at the Commonwealth end of season sale. But there were also a bunch of fantastic apparel from Carhartt and the different brands that Commonwealth carries. I will be dropping by the other Commonwealth locations in the next few days. So if you want to see what they have for sale, follow me on Instagram at Carlo Ople, because I will be posting what I find on my IG stories. Now let's go to the tech unboxing, because I do keep saying that we should be doing tech more on this site. So I just want to unbox and share with you the gift of the wifey. This is the Adidas Fitbit Ionic. So it's a great mix of hype and tech in one piece of gadgetry. So this is a smartwatch / health tracker. So I love counting steps. It's one of the best ways that I'm able to get some exercise in. I try to do 10,000 steps a day. Now, admittedly, I haven't been doing that prior to Japan, but in Japan, I have momentum now. I did like 15 to 20,000 steps every day. I want to keep going. So this is very timely, very, very timely. This is the Fitbit Ionic Adidas version. So it is a smartwatch. So let's just get to the unboxing. So you have the Fitbit Ionic logo here together with Adidas. If we pop it open, it has your typical blue Fitbit box. And if you pop this box open, woo, you have the actual watch. So let's just take it out so you guys can see it. Wow, it looks really nice, very luxe. So it has a sports band. So you have that, it's a bit dotted and circular so that it allows breathability to your skin, because it is expected for you to work out on this particular watch. It has a big screen. I haven't actually worn it yet, so I don't want to fire it up right now specifically for this vlog, but please do watch out for my review of this watch in the coming days ahead. If you are interested in the Fitbit Adidas watch, let me know in the comment section down below. So apart from the watch itself, we have like a bunch of manuals, cables, and extra straps. So the strap that it usually comes in is in large for my wrist, but it also comes with a small strap just in case you want or you have a smaller wrist. It also has your typical charger, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, what makes it special, what makes it Adidas, is apart from the branding, it's really the software inside this particular watch. It's supposed to have like on-screen workouts. It's supposed to have like a unique Adidas coaching experience. It has a custom clock face and watch band from the brand of Three Stripes. So those are things that I look forward to when I wear this. It's like the competitor of the Nike Apple Watch. So you either go with the Nike Apple Watch or you go with the Fitbit Adidas smartwatch health tracker. So that's actually it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do check out Commonwealth if you have time for their end of season sale. It promises to be an amazing shopping experience for you guys. Again, it's not just for sneakers. You have apparel. And lastly, if you are looking for a brand new UltraBOOST, check out the UltraBOOST 4.0 Ren ZHE. Definitely a nice looking sneaker, perfect for both working out and at the same time athleisure. And very last na talaga guys. Lastly, please do check out, if you haven't yet, my entire Japan series. There are a bunch of vlogs uploaded to that one during my trip in Japan, from sneaker shopping guides to Air Force One customizations to my Japan haul to the reviews of some of the sneakers that I uploaded or that I bought while I was in Japan. Link down below to that entire playlist. That's it for now. I hope you are all having a great day, and please do watch out for more content in the coming days ahead. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.